Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. Here it is, Christmas Day 2019. Trying to get these Hemi boosters together and Hemi power assemblies. Most people haven't even seen a Hemi power assembly, but it doesn't matter whether you're a high-end car guru or whether you're actually a booster rebuilder. I'll tell you one thing that's a fact. I'll bet you any amount of money that the Ram Man has seen more power boosters and power assemblies and Hemi power units and Hemi parts than anybody else on the planet. I'd be willing to stake my life on it. I know booster rebuilders that have only seen one or two in their entire career, but when you're known as the guru of Mopar brakes, you get hit up by the best in the world. There's one that we're putting together for the 71 Hemi Charger. There's a standard booster that's going on a Superbird. Here's Ron S. It's a 68 Hemi Roadrunner, bracket assembly and everything. Here's Mark 71 Hemi Cuda with a 9191. Here's Ron M's. This is for a 70 Bird 9191 wing car. And then, what's this? Christmas came in last night. Got another Hemi booster. Looks like. Here's our box. We got us a little bit of problem. I don't know if it was that away or not, but who is this? Well, it's all scratched out. I'm going to send it in this box. They'll recognize it. Looks like we got us a stud. All messed up, so gonna have to take care of that. Completely busted loose. Damn, there's another Hemi booster over here. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Folks, I see more. Oh shit, there's one down on the floor. Damn, I gotta go over that one too. When you want it done right, and you want the best, I see more Hemi power units and components in 30 days than most rebuilders have seen in 20 years. God bless you, God bless America, and happy Moparing.